We have learned the 7 axioms given by Euclid. Now we shall solve some questions. Exercise 5.1, question number 4. The question goes like this. There is a line segment AB and there is a point C in between A and B. It is also given that AC is equal to BC. Now what we have to prove is that AC is equal to half of AB. Alright, the solution. Now what is given to you? AC equal to BC, right? So what I'll do now, I'll add AC to both sides. Now do you remember axiom 2? Axiom 2, look at the list of axioms. Axiom 2 says if equals are added to the equals, then wholes are equal. So if I add AC to both sides, then it is fine. Alright, after that, now left hand side AC plus AC means 2AC and BC plus AC. Now BC plus AC means AB. BC plus AC means AB. Why? Because of axiom 4. Things which coincide with one another are equal to one another. These I have explained, right? BC plus AC is AB. So now what I'll do, I'll divide, take half from both sides. I'll take half from both sides. Things which are half of each other, that is which axiom? That is axiom 7, right? So finally I have AC is equal to AB by 2 or half of AB. This is what you needed to prove. Very simple solution, but the axiom numbers, axiom 2, axiom 4, axiom 7, you have to remember. If you can't remember the numbers, you have to write the entire statement. But if you remember the numbers, you can write the number only, just like I have written over here, right? Let's try one more question now. Let's try to solve question number 5 now. Now it's an extension of question number 4. Now what is said over here is that C is the midpoint of AB. Alright, now what you need to prove? You need to prove that AB has only one midpoint. Right? The solution is fairly easy, very easy to understand. What I'll do, I'll take one more point over here, let's say D. Alright, and I'll assume that let D be another midpoint. Okay? So let us say D is another midpoint. So if D is another midpoint, then what will happen? AD is equal to BD. Right? But it was already given that C is the midpoint. So if C is the midpoint, then what I have AC is equal to BC. This is number 2. So if I do 2 minus 1, so I have AC minus AD. So I have AC minus AD equal to BC minus BD. AC minus AD means minus CD. BC minus BD means another CD. This will give you 2CD equal to 0, and this will give you finally CD equal to 0, right? Now CD equal to 0, what does this mean? This is 0. What does it mean? This means that the C and D are basically the same point. C আৰু D একেটা পইণ্ট হ'ব লাগিব, তেতিয়াহে CD 0 হ'ব. That means C and D are exactly same point. That means the line AB has only one midpoint, either C or D. That means any line can have only one midpoint, right? So this is the solution for question number 5. There is one more question based on this axioms. Let us try to discuss that one. Now let's try to deal with question number 6. Now what is given here? There is a line segment AD and there are 2 points B and C, alright, such that your AC is equal to BD. This is given, right? Now you need to prove that AB equal to CD. Alright, so now the proof of this one is extremely easy. What I'll do, what is given to you? AC equal to BD, right? How can you split AC? AB plus BC. And how can you split BD? BC plus CD. Now this will be axiom 4, things which coincide with one another, right? Okay, now you can see there's BC both sides. So what I'll do now, I'll subtract BC from both sides. Can you tell me this will be which axiom? If equals are subtracted from equals, that means axiom 3, right? Now BC cancels, what I am left with AB, and here also BC cancel, what I am left with CD. So AB equal to CD. So this is the required proof, right? Fairly easy. So what I have done, I have discussed 3 questions based on Euclid's axioms. In examples you can find out 1 or 2 questions. Please try them. If you have any doubt you can ask. Alright, so next class we'll go to the postulates.